Honorable Chief Guest, Lalit Kumar Jain sir, the Chairman of Entrepreneurs International, Mr. Santosh Lalwani, the Treasurer of Entrepreneurs International, Mr. Milind Joshi on the dais, the Colonel Joshi, I think he's here. Honorable Colonel Joshi, he is the director of this entire campus. The dignitaries, nominees, the elder trustees, all the teaching faculties, all the great entrepreneurs sitting in here, and all the budding entrepreneurs sitting behind these people. A warm welcome to you all. While we people are supposed to go ahead with this particular program which every day we conduct, now we should remember a great entrepreneur, a great teacher, a great mentor, our beloved ex-president, Bharat Ratna, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. And I'll request you all to kindly, including the dignitaries, to kindly stand up for some moments. Let's pay homage to him. हम उन्हें अपनी भावुक श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करेंगे. ओम शांति. We'll accelerate this program now. Sir, Entrepreneurs International is a non-profit organization which is celebrating the 22nd Entrepreneurs Day here today. The honorable trustees here right now, there are 3 generations sitting. The elder ones, the actual entrepreneurs, and the budding entrepreneurs. As a mark of our humble respect to Bharat Ratna J.R.D. Tata sir, on his birth anniversary on 29th July every year, we celebrate this particular day, and we call this day as an entrepreneur's day, a businessman's day, an entrepreneur's day. During this particular day, we honor, we confer the awards to deserving entrepreneurs who have put in excellent efforts and made thriving business. Besides that, we award our mentors, our elders who have started this particular movement which has taken a wonderful shape now. With regard to the Entrepreneurs International, this particular organization, non-profit organization, has got 4 clubs here. The first started with Pune, the second one was in Baramati, third one started with Pimpri Chinchwad, and fourth is in Nigdi. I'm proud to tell this to you that this particular campus is the corporate member of Entrepreneurs International. Now, as we begin the program, it's our tradition, sirs, we take the pledge together, and then the program officially begins. It starts. I'll request now Mr. Ananta Bedesgaonkar to kindly come up stage here and take the pledge. I'll request all of you to kindly stand up once again, and we all will repeat behind Mr. Ananta Bedesgaonkar.
Thank you. I'm an entrepreneur.
I'm an entrepreneur.
All entrepreneurs are my brothers and sisters.
All entrepreneurs are my brothers and sisters.
I love my profession.
I love my profession.
And I'm proud of its social services.
And I'm proud of its social services.
I shall always try to be worthy of it.
I shall always try to be worthy of it.
I shall give my entrepreneur brothers and sisters
I shall give my entrepreneur brothers and sisters
respect
respect
and treat everyone with courtesy.
and treat everyone with courtesy.
to my profession, organization, and my customers, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Thank you.
Thank you, Anant. Thank you very much, all. I'll request our Honorable Chairman to welcome Lalit Kumar ji. Sir, although it's a formal welcome. Great. Thank you. Now, once again, I'll request Lalit Kumar ji to kindly garland the JRD Tata sir's photograph. And while this garlanding ceremony is going on, I wish let's keep on giving a great round of applause. We all work with the guiding principles of Bharat Ratna JRD Tata sir. And for last 22 years, these people have been progressing based on the guiding principles of Bharat Ratna JRD Tata sir. I'll request now Honorable Chairman of this trust, Mr. Santosh Lalwani, to formally welcome you all and introduce this entire movement to you. Santosh sir, please.
Chief guest of today's function and a dynamic entrepreneur, Sri Lalit Kumar Jain. My colleague, Sri Milind Joshi, honorable awardees, the brain behind Entrepreneurs International, Sri Bhai Patil Sahib, founder trustees and present trustees, presidents, past presidents, office bearers of entrepreneurs clubs, director of this educational campus, Colonel Joshi, he is on his way. Principals of the 11 colleges which are there in this campus, their staff, my entrepreneur friends, and last but not the least, my future would-be entrepreneurs. A very warm welcome to all of you this evening. I am extremely happy and delighted to see such an august gathering to celebrate the 22nd Entrepreneurs Day on this auspicious day, that is the 111th birth anniversary of Bharat Ratna JRD Tata. I am delighted for a number of reasons. The small seed sown and nurtured by our founder trustees 22 years ago has now started reaping fruits. Presently, there are 4 entrepreneurs clubs and more than 100 entrepreneurs as their members under the umbrella of Entrepreneurs International. In the last 22 years, India has seen a phase of rapid change, transforming from a developing country into one of the superpowers, to become a superpowers of the world. Entrepreneurs International has been innovative to change with the changing time. In the last 4 years, Entrepreneurs International has undertaken 2 major initiatives. Go Global, under which a platform was established to enable our entrepreneurs to take their business at a global level. MOUs with 3 German organizations were signed, and a Germany-India meet was organized last year in Pune, where more than 20 German entrepreneurs came to Pune, and we had a one-to-one business meeting with our members, with the German entrepreneurs. The second initiative undertaken by Entrepreneurs International was of an industry institute tie-up. The purpose was to form entrepreneurs clubs in the educational campus itself, so as to inculcate the spirit of entrepreneurship in the ignited minds of the students, and contributing in developing the future entrepreneurs who are the pillars of future India. Under this initiative, as a pilot project, Entrepreneurs Club Nigdi was formed 3 years before. YB Patil Polytechnic became corporate member of this club right from its start. A lot many activities were conducted by Entrepreneurs Club Nigdi for the students of YV Patil Polytechnic. This pilot concept has been extremely successful, and you all can see the results today. I can say today is one of the historic day for Entrepreneurs International as well as for this educational campus. I feel very happy and proud to announce that today we are giving campus membership to all the 11 colleges in this campus. This campus membership will create a win-win situation for both the organizations. A lot many activities like skill development, entrepreneurship development, digital India, training for digital India will be organized for the students by Entrepreneurs International in cooperation of the colleges. With the past experience of 22 years, we very well know that one of the main motive of the educational institute in tying up with the industry is to get placements. Entrepreneurs International's mission is to create, nurture, and enable entrepreneurs. Hence, the primary motive of Entrepreneurs International will be to create entrepreneurs out of those students, and placements, internship projects, etc. will be byproducts which will automatically get generated with the association of the industry. I'm happy to see many future would-be entrepreneurs in the gathering. I'm sure you will have a highly memorable and motivating evening today. We have a dynamic, passionate entrepreneur, highly ambitious, who have seen the ups and downs in life, but always march towards his goal, strived untiringly to make his dream come true as our chief guest. Shri Ladit Kumar Jain has a lot many interesting experiences to share about entrepreneurship and even about his college days. The awardees who have excelled in entrepreneurship in their own fields will be role models and idols to be followed. There are already some successful entrepreneurs who were the alumni of these colleges present in this auditorium. I request the management to create a hall of fame of these successful alumni, which will inspire and motivate the aspiring students to become entrepreneurs. From the students gathering present, even if 15 to 20 students take entrepreneurship seriously as their career, 5 out of them succeed to extraordinary levels, and even one of them become a thought leader. The purpose of Entrepreneurs International to give campus membership to Dr. D.Y. Patil Educational Complex under the Industry Institute tie-up will be a huge success. When I say a thought leader, it means visionaries who are able to look beyond the horizon, whose success is not limited only to themselves, but have an impact on the entire society, the entire mankind. Thought leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and Bharat Ratna J.D. Tata. Friends, not failure, but low aim is a crime. Hence, aim big, dream big, and strive unrelentlessly to achieve your dreams. Success is sure to be yours. I conclude by paying tributes to these thought leaders and quote APJ Abdul Kalam's inspirational words. Be more dedicated to make solid achievements than in running after swift but synthetic happiness. And thinking should become your capital asset, no matter whatever ups and downs you come across in life. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. We'll right away go ahead with the awarding ceremony. I'll call upon stage now who will be introducing the first award winner of Excellence in Entrepreneurship as a first generation entrepreneur. I'll call upon stage Mr. Sanjay Bele, and he'll be introducing Dr. Prabhakar Joshi.
Welcome all entrepreneur friends, family members, and well-wishers and students. It gives me great pleasure to introduce Dr. Prabhakar Joshi, Chairman of Well-Made Locking Systems Private Limited. Well-Made Locking Systems Private Limited is a well-known name in high security locks by brand name Europa. Well-made products range includes high security hexabolt locks, disc pad locks, center locks for rolling shutters, furniture locks, cylinder locks, electronic door locks, and Jamie-proof door locks. With 32 years of experience in industry and with 500 employees, Well-made locking system has very strong customer base spread all over India, including marketing and service centers in 25 cities of India. Dr. Prabhakar Joshi is BE in Mechanical Engineering and received doctorate in Mechanical Engineering from Germany. He has worked with top companies such as Kirloskar Brothers and Godrej and Boys Manufacturing Company Limited. Dr. Prabhakar Joshi has been awarded with Parkhe Award and Hari Malini Prizes by Maratha Chamber of Commerce and Industries, that is MCCIA, Pune. UNIDO, United National Industrial Development Organization, Vienna, Australia, has appointed him as Indian lock expert. His work has been highly recognized by UNIDO and Government of India. Based on his research, Modern Technology Demonstration Unit has been established at NSIC Aligarh. At present, his son, Mr. Salil Joshi, Managing Director, and daughter-in-law, Mrs. Archana Salil Joshi, Finance Director, she is CA as well as ICWA, managing the day-to-day operation of the company. Dr. Prabhakar Joshi is a great leader, entrepreneur, and role model for today's youth. For his excellent contribution to entrepreneurship and his great effort in taking lock-making industry to new height, we are glad to present him an award for excellence in entrepreneurship by first generation entrepreneur. The award for excellence in entrepreneurship goes to Dr. Prabhakar Joshi.
Thank you, sir. I'll please call you up on stage and along with you, Prabhakar sir, please. Dr. Prabhakar sir, Salil sir and Mrs. Salil also to kindly come up stage. Thank you.
Our chief guest, Lalit Kumar Jain, and trustees of this Entrepreneurs Club. I am so much overwhelmed by today's award ceremony and particularly the award to me. I thank you, the organizers, and everybody for this award, which I will cherish for my whole of life. I will just give you a brief history of our company. It started from a very small scale, actually. We started in 1983, almost 30 years back. And my previous experience was in Godrej company. I was R&D manager for 15 years. And then I saw the lock is good, small product, good market, so we established a factory here. Though times were difficult, when we had a factory in Bombay, there was no telephone available. We could apply for telephone, it used to take years together. But we withstood all the difficulties. We started a factory in Pune, and we started with automobile locks for Telco and for Fiat cars. Then in 1989, my son is a very good help and I cannot describe his contribution to the company. And we together again restarted the whole thing. Our first issue, it takes time for a good product to click. You struggle so much, but one product gives you the whole change of future. One nano is all right, but after nano also there are so many good products will be coming up for telco also. So similarly, we clicked with night latch, main door lock, and that changed the whole picture. Of course, the whole contribution was with from Sali Joshi and Archana Joshi. And then things started. Now at present we are doing quite a good business. We have got factories, 3 factories in Chakan, 3 factories in Bhosari, and R&D. Our main emphasis is on looking beyond. We bring out new products every year. We are ahead of competition. That's why we are not worried about competition. You will be surprised to know that we are not spending a single money for advertisements. No newspaper advertisements, nothing. Word of mouth publicity and users' reports. We have got marketing branches all over India, as I already has been described, and we look forward to. Our main mission is to be beneficial to society. You see, our Indian, what you call, not Indian, I would say, but house owner doesn't know what are the limitations of his door. And so daily thefts take place, and I make it a point that whenever theft takes place, I go and visit the place and just discuss the matter, see what can be done. So similarly, we went on improving the products, and now luckily this year we are bringing out one very high security product, Hexabolt. It has got 6 deadbolts. It takes a load of 3 tons. It cannot be broken. We are giving free insurance of over 2 lakhs. If our lock breaks and your house theft takes place, you will get 2 lakhs. Then now, luckily for India, our Indian market is very big. If you satisfy the Indian market, it is more than sufficient. So we are now emphasizing on increasing the production. So we are buying imported CNC machine from China. I had visited China 7 times, and we got the machines from there also. But first thing I want to emphasize is that this cannot be done only single person or Mr. Salil Joshi or myself. However, the whole team is behind that, R&D, production, marketing, servicing, everything. So it's a teamwork, and this award I am dedicating to our Europa team. So I will not take much time because it's a little late. So I thank you very much. I thank Mr. Ranjit Saab and the organization, and look forward to a good future for this club. Thanks a lot.
For Mr. Avinash Belgamwar, I'll request Mr. Amol Abhale to come up stage and introduce this next second entrepreneur who has won this particular award called Excellence in Entrepreneurship. Amol.
Good evening, everyone. Mr. Avinash Belgamwar is a serial entrepreneur and a distinguished personality in the field of automobile vehicle manufacturing. Mr. Avinash Belgamwar is a present director of Next Motive Motors Private Limited, a commercial vehicle production company engaged in manufacturing small trucks, SCV. Apart from this, he is the director of Connex Avio Auto Private Limited, a commercial tool room and design company for automotive and aviation industry. He is also the director for Nexus Mechatronics Private Limited, an engineering and healthcare machines trading and small equipment manufacturing company. He is also the director for Vanashri Ayurved Private Limited, a Ayurvedic and herbal manufacturing trading organization, Pune. Next Motive Motors Private Limited has a great range of small trucks such as 650 kg payload cargo SCV, 900 kg payload cargo SCV, 1250 kg payload cargo SCV, etc. The group has recognized R&D center under the Connex Avio Auto Company. Mr. Avinash Belgamwar is having large customer base in the countries such as Sri Lanka, Nepal, Mozambique, Bangladesh, Kenya, etc. Mr. Avinash Belgamwar is the first generation entrepreneur and a role model for the Indian industry. For his excellent contribution to the entrepreneurship and his great efforts in doing his high